Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons. Brake checking gone wrong. Instant karma served hot. Just like the content on this channel. If you enjoyed that, hit subscribe for more epic moments. Road rage and ramming at highway speeds. This could have ended much worse. Passing on the shoulder and brake checking, that's a recipe for trouble. Crazy brake checking on Garden State Parkway.
No, it's the Camry and the Jeep. It's not this one here.
Well, I saw a car speed up. Look at this. Look at. Please tell me you know that.
I got that on video.
Now he's gonna cut in front of me. Ready?
Yep. I got it.
Amazon truck crushes a car once, then does it again on the other side. The property owner got tired of people parking in his driveway, so he installed motion-activated sprinklers. A petty revenge moment. He opens the back door, walks away laughing.
What are you doing?
Beef? He's on, man.
This driver tried to skip traffic but got caught by the cops. How will he explain this one?
They scared of the fucking cops, like, yeah, like, y'all lost your fucking mind doing all that dumb shit in front of the cops, like, drive, like, you feel me? Wow.
Looks like the road is full of reckless road users. The heavy truck looks like it's defying gravity. How long before it tips over? When reckless driving and instant karma collide, there's only one winner.
And then all of a sudden, like, no, I'm sorry, you're too old, go away. What's Bobcat gonna do otherwise? You can't go back into the army,
Imagine this guy as an aircraft engineer. Disaster would be guaranteed. Can you tell why the cops pulled him over? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Was he trying to show off? Well, karma made sure there's no car left to flex. This guy got lucky. The driver could have pinned him against the wall. A Police chase gone wrong. These guys crashed straight into a trailer, then bolted on foot.
You guys okay?
No, it's okay, okay. It's okay.
Oh, 知道了吧？看到了吗？ in the fucking car.
Get him! Get him! Get him!